Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camping cots for 2 persons that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Naturehike Cozy Wild 2-person camping cot frame. This cot is designed for versatility, offering a sturdy frame that can comfortably support up to 498 pounds. The bed surface is made of skin-friendly pongee fabric, which feels soft to the touch and enhances your sleeping experience. However, do note that the air mattress is not included, so you'll need to purchase one separately for optimal comfort. The cot measures 73 inches in length, 49 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, making it spacious enough for 2 adults. In terms of build quality, the alloy steel frame is durable and stable, even on uneven terrain. The folding design makes it easy to set up and pack away, and it comes with a carry bag for added convenience. While the cot provides a solid sleeping surface on its own, pairing it with the recommended Naturehike air mattress can elevate the overall experience. It's a great choice for indoor or outdoor use, whether you're camping, hosting guests, or taking a quick nap during a lunch break. The main downside is the lack of an included air mattress, which adds to the overall cost. Additionally, the fabric, while comfortable, may require a blanket for added warmth and protection. This cot is ideal for users who already own an air mattress or prefer customizing their sleeping setup. If you're looking for a no-frills option with a strong frame and good portability, the Naturehike Cozy Wild is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Kampkeeper camping cot with inflatable air mattress. This twin-sized cot offers a versatile design, combining a heavy-duty steel frame with a durable PVC-coated Oxford fabric sleeping surface. The cot frame measures 39 by 73 inches, while the fully inflated air mattress adds an inch to the length. With a weight capacity of 250 pounds, it's perfect for solo campers or 2 lighter individuals. What sets the Kampkeeper apart is its foldable design and included carry bag, making it easy to transport and store. The air mattress is designed to minimize noise when moving during sleep, a thoughtful feature for restless sleepers. The X-shaped structure of the frame ensures stability, even on uneven ground, while the edge support provides a more comfortable experience compared to standard cots. On the flip side, the cot does not include an air pump, which means you'll need to purchase one separately. Additionally, while it's suitable for outdoor and indoor use, the weight capacity might be limiting for heavier users. Overall, the Kampkeeper camping cot is a great option for those seeking a compact, portable solution for both camping trips and indoor use. At number 3, we have the kingcamp 2-person queen-size camping cot. This oversized cot measures 82.6 inches long and 55 inches wide, providing ample space for 2 adults or extra room for solo campers who enjoy spreading out. Constructed with Q195 steel tubing and tear-resistant 1200D Oxford fabric, this cot is built to last and can support up to 550 pounds. The design prioritizes stability, featuring anti-slip feet, reinforced triangle legs, and a 9-leg support structure. The cot folds easily and comes with a durable storage bag that has built-in wheels, making transport a breeze. 4 elastic straps on the corners help secure air mattresses or sleeping pads in place, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep without any slipping. However, the kingcamp cot is heavier and bulkier compared to some of the other options, which might make it less appealing for backpacking trips. Additionally, while it provides great stability and comfort, it's best suited for car camping or situations where portability is less of a concern. This cot is ideal for couples or campers who value extra room and robust build quality. Taking the number 2 spot is the Discobed large outdoor convertible 2-person bench and double camping cot. This unique cot system offers incredible versatility, allowing users to configure it as 2 single beds, a bunk bed, or even a bench. It's perfect for families or groups who need flexible sleeping arrangements. The cot measures 82 inches long, 32.5 inches wide, and 36 inches high, providing plenty of room for a comfortable rest. The steel frame is designed for durability and features an anti-rust coating, making it suitable for outdoor use. The sleeping surface is made of high-grade 1200D polyester, ensuring both comfort and longevity. With no middle leg or center brace, the cot conforms to your body for a contoured sleeping experience. The setup process requires no tools, and it comes with carry bags for easy transport. While the Disca bed is highly versatile, its heavier weight and larger size might not be ideal for solo travelers or those with limited storage space. It's also one of the pricier options on the list. However, for families or campers who need flexible, durable sleeping solutions, the Disca bed is an excellent investment. And finally, our number one pick is the Coleman queen-size air bed cot combination. This cot offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and durability, making it a standout choice for campers and guests alike. The queen-sized air mattress features advanced coil construction, providing firm support and ensuring a restful night's sleep. The steel frame is robust and supports up to 600 pounds, accommodating users up to 6 feet tall. What truly sets the Coleman apart is its thoughtful design. It comes with a battery-operated pump for hassle-free inflation and deflation, as well as a side table with cup holders to keep your essentials close. The 22-inch bed height makes getting in and out of bed effortless, adding a touch of luxury to your camping experience. The folding design makes it easy to transport, and the entire setup is durable enough for outdoor use. On the downside, the Coleman cot is slightly heavier than some of the other options, which might be a consideration for portability. However, its superior comfort, sturdy build, and practical features make it the best overall choice for two-person camping cots. Whether you're camping or hosting overnight guests, this cot delivers exceptional value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.